So let's get started with some of the best practices for your page and your post. You know, one common area that I see a lot of dealers fall down is that they don't take the time to even complete their page. Make sure that you fill out your page information completely. Now, here are a few of the areas that you really want to pay attention to. The page description. Let people know what your page is all about and what you are really good at. Next, make it easy for people to reach you by listing all of your possible contact information. Phone number, website, email address, all of them. Take the time to explore all the different tabs and the options available. Now, I know all of this sounds really basic, and it is, but I am amazed at how many dealers fail to complete this simple information. Then they report no one engages with the page. The whole idea is to take up as much social media real estate as possible. But if you don't do your part, you can't get mad at Facebook when nobody engages with you. Now, one section that I believe you are really going to want to start spending some time with is the Insights page. This page shows you what's happening with your page. How many likes, how many followers, how many comments, what's the post reach. The area that I think you should pay really special attention to is post engagement. This will help you determine when and where what to post. Pay attention to the days and times that the followers are even on Facebook, and start looking for trends with the content that they engage with. This will help you plan and schedule your posts for much higher engagement. Now, let's switch gears a little bit and discuss best practices for your actual post. You know, the posts that you are likely to publish are either going to be photos or videos. Now, I always recommend experimenting with different types of posts, but right now, video is by far the most popular. One recent study actually shows video gets, on average, twice the level of engagement than any other post type. Twice the level. Now, I hear from a lot of dealers who tell me that their posts go nowhere. And after taking a quick look at their page, I see lots of all about me style posts with a lot of text. Now, please don't shoot the messenger, but people on Facebook really don't care that much about you. They care about themselves. And if your content and the format you're using doesn't match what they want, it isn't going to go anywhere. You know, this is marketing 101. You have to give consumers what it is that they want. And if they want video, I would highly recommend that you start giving them video. You know, one thing that you must remember is Facebook is a social media platform. Keyword here, social. If your posts are boring, stale, all about you, and lack any kind of human quality, I can guarantee your post will continue to go absolutely nowhere. Now, if you're going to post a picture or a graphic, you also have to remember that Facebook has a 20% rule. Not familiar with this? It's pretty simple. This means that if the text in the image area is more than 20% of that whole space, do not expect that post or that ad to get fed a lot. You know, Facebook is a visual medium. You have to focus on the image. And when you do add in text, keep it to a bare minimum. You want to keep the text in your post concise and clearly communicate what it is that you're promoting. Lead with the most important information and keep that text to 2 to 3 short sentences. Now, another best practice for your post, humanize your dealership with fun employee photos. You know, Facebook is all about people. The original intent of Facebook was to interact with friends, not advertise businesses. Now, we marketers quickly forgot all about that. People still buy from people, so go ahead and show your people. And one final thought about your post. Feel free to implement the decades-old strategy of using babies and pets. I mean, come on, who doesn't love images of funny dogs and babies? Make them related to your dealership by giving them some fun, car-related caption. Now, when you're doing Facebook marketing, it is a good idea not to take yourself too seriously. Inserting some playfulness into your post can go a long way at grabbing the attention of really busy, really distracted people. Hey, I hope these concepts make sense and that you go to work implementing them for your dealership.